Hello everyone. In today's video we will discuss about how to add transitions in your PowerPoint presentation. Let's start about that. For example, here you have prepared your PowerPoint slides for presenting at your conference or university level, and you are going to add some transitions to it so that when you open in a slideshow it will appear as more attractive. And for this, you first of all you need to open your PowerPoint, and then you select the slide on which you want to add any kind of transition. So here, for example, if I want to add transition here, I will click on the first slide, and then from here toolbar you can select an option of transition, and here you can choose any transition that you want to add, like morph or fade or any kind of push and wipe, split. And you can also choose from this top menu bar, like which kind of transition you want in your PowerPoint. Okay, so in the similar way, select another slide number 2, and choose any transition from here, like this one, and the same way the third slide, and like this one. Okay, so in this way you can add slide to your transition to your slides. So the slides that are on which you have applied transition, it will marked as star, as you can see the star after the slide number. And these slides where no transition has been added, there is no star here, so it is showing that it is not undergo the process of transition, while these slides here you edit transitions. So if you have added transitions to all slides and you want to remove them, and you want to make your slides as simple, then you don't need to remove transition by clicking on every single slide. You can rather move in a single step by clicking on any of the slide from here, and then press Ctrl A. All slides will be selected, and then you click on transition, and here you can see an option of selecting go to transition and then select none, and all the transition that you added to your PowerPoint will be removed, and all the slides will be appeared as with no star. So in this way you can add or remove transition from your slides. And after adding transition, if you want to check the whatever the changes you have made, and you want to check the slides in a slideshow, then you need to click on here as a slideshow, and when you click, it will appear as this one, transition form. So in this way you can make your slide as PowerPoint slides as more attractive, and it will attract the attention of your audience as well. So it's your choice. If you want to add these kind of transitions in your PowerPoint, you can also add animations in your PowerPoint that we will discuss in our upcoming videos. So stay tuned with young researchers. Till then, Allah Hafiz.